Working on a 2020 Honda Civic with 14,000 kilometers. We're doing a DOT inspection, an Ontario DOT inspection, and we're also doing a Honda certified inspection. And the benefits of a certified inspection is we're testing all the accessories, features, and we're going above and beyond what a regular safety inspection would be. Right now on the certified inspection, I found out the AC's not working. So today we are replacing the AC condenser. Ready?
Ready.
Put your leak right there. So what happens is the AC gas starts to leak out, and then the oil actually collects the dirt and dust and makes a nice visible points to easily identify where the leak's coming from. And the system's stone dry, empty. And that's a nice clear, easy find right there. And this is how you can tell that the system's completely empty too, because this line should just pop. This line should have pushed right out if the system was full, but that's empty. About to come on the ground, and you'll be able to see a lot easier the leaks. Once you put this in, we'll be able to pull vacuum on the system, and then it's going to pass a vacuum test, and then we'll be able to fill it up and have nice cold blowing AC. So this is our AC diagnostic and charge machine. Right now what we're going to do is we're going to put the vehicle information, how much AC we want to put into it, and then the machine is going to pull a vacuum, and it's actually going to vacuum and pressure test the system to make sure that there is no leaks and that we're legally and safely allowed to fill it. And once it passes the vacuum test, then we fill it up, we'll check the AC, and it's going to be blowing cold. So right now the machine's going to be pulling a vacuum. It's going to pull two different vacuums. It's going to be, the first one's going to be 5 minutes. Then it's going to do a check. If it passes that check, then it's going to pull another vacuum for another 5 minutes. And it needs to pass both vacuum tests for me to be able to fill the system. So after we got it all charged up, we got the AC system running, and it's blowing at almost -1, -2. And in summertime, that's going to be nice and perfect.